Okay, we are almost done. This is Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And this is the last part on manually installing WordPress. We're going to go ahead and show you when we got to the last we were getting when we went to install the WordPress, it did not install. It said there was a database error. And the reason for that is when we, let me go ahead and show it to you. Over here, when I had to pick up the host name, what they use on the host name in here is not the ixwebhosting.com, but it will be mysql300.opentransfer.com. That's what works for IX. And I went ahead and I went back, and you can see that it's changed there, opentransfer.com, and it's saved. And when I did that, the website went ahead and opened up. As you can see, it needs some more information. You need to go ahead and give it a title. It can be the same as the domain name or something different. And username, it's good to have a username, better than admin. This is just a sample one. I'm going to do it later. Then you're going to give it a password. This is a password you can do, or you can go ahead and randomly generate one. We're going to leave it blank and let them go ahead and randomly generate one. And I'm going to put an email address in there for them to send it to. And you do want it to show up on the search engines like Google and Technorati. If you didn't want them to show up, if you wanted a very private site nobody could find, then you can uncheck it. And then you go ahead and click the Install WordPress. Here it gives the password. You want to save it and copy it. If you lose it, remember what your email address is, because you can have a new one sent back to your email address. As I said before, this database, everyone can see all these passwords and things, and this is not going to be a live database. It's going to be changed. This is just a sample one. Let's go ahead and log in. And the password that they just gave us. And you log in. You are in your website, and then also you can click on here and see what the website looks like. This is just a brand new, fresh install website. Oh, one more thing. Right here, you see this page going up? A lot of your websites will have just a random page that goes up there, just a blank page, until you put something on it. And we need to take that off so our website will show up. I'm back here in FileZilla, and you can see right here where it has the index HTML. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that one. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and see how the site looks. There it is. This is just there we go. And then it's ready to add content, configure, do whatever you want to do with it. Have some fun. Oh, one more thing. I was going to show you how you can change files inside, single files inside IX itself. Here I am in IX, and you're going to go on down to the file manager. And this is good for if you just want to change one file or upload one file, you can use the file manager to do that. Now, instead of the FTP, this is very secure this way. More secure than a lot of the FTP servers. And you just go in, and I'm finding the site that we have here. And there you can see the different files. There's the index PHP. Go down, see there's the config file that we just made. And if you were to modify, let's say we were wanting to modify the config file, we'll click on it and it shows up over here on the right side. And then on the right side, you can just go on down and click on edit, and it will pop it up, and then you can edit something in there. And then once you edit it, you'd hit save, and then go ahead and close it because we're not going to edit. I'm not going to change it. So if you need to change something, like if I want to go back in and make a different database, then I can go in and change the config file for the database that I want. You can also upload a file into here, like if you want to put some, just different places. A lot of times I'll put a folder that's like a PHP folder, and then put your, PDF, and put your PDF files and things like that in there. Anyway, enjoy and have fun.